Today, I built a fully working Tetris game using Arduino and an LED Matrix display. This is not just a simulation. It's a fully playable Tetris game with smooth controls and real arcade mechanics. As you clear more lines, the speed increases, making the game more challenging, like the original arcade version. This project is built using Arduino and an 8x30 to MAX7219 LED Matrix display. Before building the hardware, here is the wiring diagram for all connections. This helps you understand the system clearly without confusion. And here is the real hardware setup after everything is connected and assembled. You can control the game using 3 buttons: move left, move right, and rotate the block. The game includes collision detection, line clearing, and a dynamic speed system that increases as you progress. Every action has sound feedback, creating a retro arcade experience. When the blocks reach the top, the game ends with a classic arcade-style game over animation. This is more than a project. It's a fully functional retro gaming system built from scratch.